Hi guys, today we're talking about something cool. I know you can't see it right now. It's all enclosed in this little baggie here, but we have a portable hair straightener. This is so cool. It does not have a cord. I will open the bag now to kind of show you. And I love that it comes with this, transportable bag as well, just to keep things all nice and orderly and organized. So this is the guy that we're gonna be using today. It does require that you charge it beforehand. If you try to charge it while you're using it, it will not work. It is a Type-C fast charger, so maybe just give it a couple hours when it's fully charged, and then you will know you are ready to use it. So we're gonna put that off to the side. This guy is really cool, super cute. It has a cute little cover. That pink matches all the other buttons and things here. I love this product because it doesn't have a string or a cord, which is amazing. And as far as charging goes, you can plug it into a computer with the USB, a block in the wall, however you're gonna do it. But as far as using this product goes, there's two things you need to know. So we have an on and off switch. You're gonna need to operate this first one before you do anything else, because if it's off and if I try to long press to turn it on, it's not going to do anything. So as far as safety measures go, this is really nice if you're traveling with your kids and maybe they like to get in your bag and play with your makeup and your hair and you don't want them to burn themselves. That's a really nice feature to have, so they wouldn't be able to activate it and burn themselves. But when you are ready, go ahead and switch it on. Long press, you can start to activate it. And so it's blinking there, which is indicating that we are trying to use that temperature. But if you want to go up even higher, you can pick your preferred setting. And then when it's done, it will stop. But it's already getting warm already. So we're gonna go ahead and wait, come back when it's ready, and we'll show you how to do the hair. Okay, so we are back and it is done because it's not blinking anymore. So I'm gonna find a piece of hair that I wanna go ahead and straighten from all these curls. And so I'll try to get that there for you. Just go down, make sure you've done your heat protectant part already as well. And wow, whew, that did pretty good. I am impressed. Cool. So now, because I have this, kind of wavy curl going on here, I'm going to try to take that same piece and we're going to see if it can do some curls also. Let's see. Ooh, that actually looks super cute. Wow. So you're actually able to do both with these. That is adorable. Oh my gosh. How cute. Wow. Okay, I am thoroughly impressed. I don't know how you guys are feeling at home, but this little guy is incredible. Really nice to go on trips with, or even if you're a minimalist, this is very small and quaint. Doesn't take up a whole lot of space, just the charger and the bag and you're good to go. So check this out for yourself, and then you can either turn it off by long pressing here, or if you don't do this part, you can just hit that button and it will start to turn off. Maybe let it cool off and then put the cap on after some time has passed. So check this out for yourself. I highly recommend it. You can get it on Amazon.